really concerning about why she even raised this issue in a court of law.
And maybe she does know it, as you raised. So, Neil, I mean, you've seen Cannon's actions. You also know very, very well the power of judges. How confident are you that the documents case will go to trial before November? I mean, there are other means of trying to delay, and judges have power to do that.
So first of all, just big picture, Jen, I think just Donald Trump had his best legal week in years. And it's because of what we're talking about Judge Cannon on the hearing on Friday, but also because of the Supreme Court agreeing to hear his January 6th immunity case with a really slow timeline to hear it. And as you started the show with, timing is everything. So with respect to Judge Cannon, I mean, this is a case that is really straightforward, but unfortunately, so far, she's forged a long and winding path toward it being resolved. And, there's a reason why Donald Trump attacks every single judge in the country who's hearing his cases besides her, because so far she's been willing to bend the rule of law to help him out. Now, I take the 60-day thing a little bit differently than Andrew. He's absolutely right on the substance of the rule. It doesn't apply at all. But sometimes judges ask those kinds of questions just to make sure and the like. And, maybe hope springs eternal. But my hope is I'd love to see Judge Cannon do the right thing. After all, Donald Trump asked for an August trial date in this case well before the election last week. Let's give him what he wants. I was National Security Advisor at the Justice Department where I saw these kinds of cases. There's no reason for it to take longer. And sometimes judges defy expectations. Remember when Judge Cannon made those kind of crazy rulings last year in the case, appointing a special master and the like? It went up to the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals and people said, oh, they're going to be hopelessly biased for Trump. They rebuked her unanimously. And my hope is that something similar will happen here, that Judge Cannon sets this for trial. The American public deserve to know what happened with all these very highly classified stolen documents.
I mean, Neil, we love a little hope on this.